Right, so I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notifications from your Tapo C310 camera. Now, this is very simple. You want to go to the Tapo app and tap on your Tapo C310 camera, and then tap on settings in the top right corner. And then if you scroll down on the main settings page, you will see notifications. Now you can tap on that, and then you can turn notifications off or you can turn them on. Now, with notifications on, you can actually go to activity type and you can uncheck specific activities that you do not want notifications for. So let's say you don't want notifications for, let's say, line crossing detection. So you can uncheck that. So you can actually go ahead and customize the exact notifications you get and don't get. But if you want to turn off all the notifications, you turn it off from here. Now, again, with notifications enabled, you can choose whether you want rich notifications or not. So basically, rich notifications will give you all the information you need without opening the app. So if you want that, then you can turn that on. And also, but that requires the Tapo Care subscription. So if you don't want it, you can turn it off from here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.